For 7 years, his life didn't fall apart. It was worse. It stayed the same. Same alarm, same commute, same job, same food, same scrolling, same sleep. No disasters, no breakthroughs, just repeat. He wasn't depressed in a dramatic way. He was trapped in routine. Then one day, he changed one habit. One small habit, and that single change broke the loop. You will hear 3 turning points, 3 moments that revealed his routine prison. I will also break down the psychology, why people get stuck in comfortable misery, why motivation fails, and why one habit can change your identity. At the end, you will get a simple 30-day plan, a plan to break the loop without overwhelming yourself.
If you feel like your days blur together,
Stay with me. Chapter 1, The Comfortable Misery, Turning Point Number 1. His name was Jordan. Jordan was 34.
He wasn't broke.
He wasn't homeless. He wasn't in a crisis. That's why nobody worried about him. He had a steady job. He paid his rent. He had friends. But Jordan felt like he was watching his own life from far away. Every morning, the alarm rang at 7:10. Jordan hit snooze. 1 time, 2 times, 3 times. Then he rushed, shower fast, coffee fast, clothes fast. He left the house half awake. He drove the same roads. He sat in the same traffic. He listened to the same podcast. He arrived at the same desk. His job was not evil. It was just empty. Emails, meetings, small tasks. He worked just enough to stay safe. Then he came home. Microwave dinner, couch, phone. He scrolled until his eyes felt heavy. Then he slept too late. Then the alarm rang again. Same day. Again. Jordan told himself, this is normal. But deep down, he felt fear. Not fear of failure. Fear of time, because he could feel the years moving while nothing changed. Then came turning point 1. It happened on a Sunday night. Jordan opened his photo app. A memory popped up. 7 years ago today. Jordan tapped it. He saw himself at 27, smiling at a friend's party. He looked alive. Then Jordan noticed something. The background. The same apartment, the same couch, the same face but younger. He whispered, "Wait, I'm still here?" His chest tightened. He started counting the years. 7 years of the same day. He didn't feel anger. He felt grief, because he realized something painful. He didn't lose 7 years to tragedy.
He lost them to autopilot.
Chapter 2, The Habit That Kept Him Stuck. Turning point number 2. The next week, Jordan tried to change. He told himself, I'm done. He made big plans. Gym, new skill, side business, new life. It lasted 3 days. Then he went back, because Jordan didn't have a motivation problem. He had a system problem. His days were designed for repeat, and his strongest habit wasn't snooze. It was something deeper. The habit of escaping discomfort. Jordan avoided discomfort like it was danger. Work stress? Scroll. Loneliness? Scroll. Boredom? Scroll. Anxiety? Scroll. His phone was not entertainment. It was anesthesia. Then came turning point 2. It happened at 2:40 a.m. Jordan was in bed scrolling again. His eyes burned. His brain felt foggy. He told himself, just 5 more minutes. Then his phone died, black screen, no escape. Jordan stared at the ceiling, and without the noise, he heard his own thoughts clearly. He heard a sentence inside his head. I am using this to avoid my life. That sentence hit like truth. Jordan sat up and looked around his room. Dirty laundry, unopened mail, a half-finished book. It wasn't a disaster. It was a slow decay. And then Jordan realized something that changed everything. His phone wasn't the main problem. It was the habit of instant comfort. The habit of running. That was turning point 2. The night he stopped blaming life and started seeing the pattern. Chapter 3, The One Habit That Broke the Loop. Turning point 3. Jordan didn't try to become perfect. He chose one habit. 1. He called it the first hour. The rule was simple. No phone for the first hour after waking up. That's it. No scrolling, no notifications, no news, just an hour. People underestimate this. But the first hour sets your identity for the day. If you start your day as a reactor, you stay reactive. You stay reactive. If you start your day as a builder, you build. Jordan made the habit easy. He bought a cheap alarm clock. He charged his phone in the kitchen.
He put a notebook near his bed.
Day 1 was hard. He woke up and reached for his phone. It wasn't there. He felt restless. Just thoughts. Then he moved his body for 10 minutes. Push-ups, stretching, a short walk. Then he showered. And something weird happened. He arrived at work calmer. He didn't feel rushed. He didn't feel behind. He felt in control. Jordan repeated the habit. Day 2, Day 3, Day 7. It got easier. Because habits don't need motivation. They need environment. After 2 weeks, Jordan noticed changes. He slept earlier because he scrolled less at night. He woke up easier. He felt more energy. Then he added one more tiny rule inside the first hour. 15 minutes of skill learning, just 15. He picked one skill, Excel and data basics, because it could help his career fast. He watched one lesson per morning. He practiced a little. After a month, Jordan knew more than most people at his job. He started solving problems faster. A manager noticed. "Where did you learn this?" Jordan said,
Then Jordan did something he hadn't done in years.
He applied for a better role, not a dream job, a step up, and he got an interview. That interview became the proof. Jordan wasn't stuck because he lacked talent. He was stuck because his days were designed to repeat. Turning point 3 was not the job interview. It was the identity shift. Jordan became a man who starts his day on purpose. And once the first hour changed, the whole day changed. The routine prison. Jordan's story is common. Here's why it happens. 1. Comfort can be a cage. Comfort feels safe. But it also keeps you small. You stop growing because growth feels uncomfortable. 2. Autopilot saves energy but steals life. Your brain loves repeat. Repeat is easy, but repeat without intention becomes years. 3. The first habit controls the next habit. Your first action in the morning is a domino. Bad first domino, bad day. Good first domino, better life, the 30-day loop break plan. Start today. You don't need to change everything. Change one habit first. Step 1. Pick your first hour rule. Choose one. No phone for first hour. 10-minute walk first hour. 10-minute journal first hour. 15-minute skill first hour. Pick one rule. Step 2. Make it easy with environment. Charge phone outside bedroom. Use an alarm clock. Put your shoes ready. Put water ready. Put notebook ready. Do not rely on willpower. Step 3. Add one builder action. After 7 days, add one builder action. 15-minute skill, 10 minutes workout, 10 minutes reading, small, repeatable. Step 4. Track the change. Use a calendar. Mark across every day you follow the first hour rule. Do not break the chain. If you miss one day, return the next day. Step 5. Upgrade one area after 30 days. After 30 days, choose one upgrade. Apply for a better job. Start a small side project. Join a class. Fix your health routine. Only one. Step by step. Step 6. One action today. Tonight, move your phone charger out of your bedroom. Set your alarm. Prepare water. That's the start. Jordan lived the same day for 7 years, not because he was broken, because his habits were designed to repeat. Then he changed one habit, one small habit, and it broke the loop. If your days feel the same, remember, you don't need a new life. You need a new first hour. Say this out loud. I will stop starting my day on autopilot. Then do one small action today. If this story helped you, subscribe. This channel shares relatable transformation stories with real steps. And comment one phrase below. First hour, so you commit to breaking your loop starting tomorrow morning.